let's put some belts. What's over here? Mommy, do you remember what's over here? Bunnies.
It's a baby one.
They're all,
Are they all? Oh, they got brand new ones.
they're so cute. Now we gotta look for some belts. I don't need to be taking my heart away from some cute little bunnies. We got bunnies at home. But next year, I'm gonna ask Mom if we can get some bunnies over there. There's chicks over here. These ones are adorable, but they're naked necks. Ew. Oh my gosh, it's ducks. It's ducks. This is some yummy popcorn. When we go back to the popcorn area, I'm gonna get some salt and maybe I'm gonna convince Mom to get me another pack of popcorn. Maybe. I hope so. Mom's gonna share with you. This one's mine.
After we try on our stuff, we can go back and look for more. Huh?
Hey Mom.
No.
Can I please, if I'm still hungry and I finish that bag while we're in here, can I have another bag?
We will see.
Yay! When she says we will see, most of the time it's yes. Ooh! Can I look?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
I already found which one I
found
want.
hats.
Ellinor.
Ma'am.
Up here, up here. Seriously?
Oh, this one's nice. I like it.
Which one?
I like it.
He is asleep. Look at it. Look at it.
This is nose, this is eyes, this is mouth. He fell asleep. Just kidding. Just kidding, he didn't fall asleep. The best stuff ever. No one doesn't like it, I hope. So I'm gonna save a few bites for Mom. OMG. This is my favorite now. Or this one. Or this one. Or this one. Oh, let's go, God. We're upgrading your experience. I don't know if I really want to save any for Mom anymore. Be clean and be healthy. Look at that. That looks yummy. I love that. Come to me. I have the magic powers. What are you grabbing? Mini papayas?
This is what and like an arepa, I think. Like what's your face? Eats?
I need Baby Bell. Watermelons. Watermelons are out of season. This is gonna be delicious. What you get? Oh, I want to show you all my shirt. It's so cute. Mommy bought it for me. When did she buy it for me?
A couple weeks ago.
Mom bought it a couple weeks ago, and this is my second time wearing it. Cherries. It kind of looks like ketchup. Holiday item. Olive oil. Big olive oil. Big. Biggest you can ever find, I think. Garlic. I didn't even see that, and I know what it was. Because I know what my mommy gets. Here they are. Oh, there's a Ruffles one.
Oh, that's not Ruffles, that's Pringles.
Pringles? Oh, I thought it said Ruffles. Oh, yeah. I want the chicken. Or the cow. Or the axolotl. I want everything. Not even that many groceries today. Mom's going to unpack groceries while I take care of my 25 chicks. Okay, so these are all my chicks. I don't think Mom wants me to take them out. They're still snacking on. Hi. Do you have enough food? Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm gonna get y'all some more water. To go inside to get my boots because I don't need to be walking in there too far with these on. Okay, this part does not want to like me today. Up, push. There we go. I don't know why, but it's called omelet. That's how Thatcher reads it. I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna tell Mom I'm going inside. Mom? Mom, I'm going inside to get my boots on. Look how cool this is. It's like a drip thing. So, like, it has little holes in the bottom. So when it gets watered up here, some get watered down here. I think that is so cool. So I will see y'all in a few seconds. And, well, yeah, you're going to see my baby chicks again. Bye. Oh my goodness. I just found something so cool when I was watering the plants. I did not show y'all this, so I really super duper need to show y'all. Look at my squash. My squash is beautiful. It's so big and beautiful. That's what I needed to show y'all. It's so beautiful. So, my notepad has nothing on it right now, but I'm gonna write down some stuff. People are here to work on our house. So see you later. Bye.